Oh man!
No. When I say.
Pull.
Nice.
Pull.
I can shoot both.
That's
right. I can shoot both.
Chris, I love watching you shoot that gun.
What?
It's so funny watching you shoot that gun.
You can't hit anything.
Chris, don't mess around. You can't hit anything anyways. Oh no, he has a gun in his hands. I'll show you.
Sucks at shooting. Oh! Just a random shot in the dark.
Not yet.
Pull.
Hey, Lilybug. Lily, watch.
You gotta throw it back. You know how this game goes. Hey, Lily.
Where's the rest of the ammo? Come on.
She's like frozen. What are you doing?
Her fingers have retreated out of her hands.
Lily, what are you doing?
Oh, we got it.
Darn right we got it.
I missed it.
You ready?
Say it again, Tenny. Whenever you're ready.
Aaron can go.
Oh.
I think I got that one, Aaron.
Aaron can go. Oh, I got it.
Oh, Tenny got it. I shot right out. I saw it explode as I pulled the trigger.
Oh!
Tenny, you go ahead and call pull.
No. Pull. I got that one.
Pull, huh? So.
I did.
No,
I pulled
no,
the trigger
I
beam
know I
right
got
before
that
you,
one.
Aaron.
Why are you leaning back so far? Okay.
Go.
This is great. Oh!
You seriously could have given yourself a black eye there.
Hey, Kyler.
Where are you going? Huh?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Are we sitting in the car? Oh yeah, some baba. You know those are supposed to move so it works, huh? You know way too much.
Alright, explain what's up.
We're practicing.
For the big competition between the girls?
Now get down on it.
Alright.
Close this up.
Hey, you got it a little bit. You nicked it.
I hit it.
You nicked it. Get ready. Is she going to be in the competition?
Yep. See, I don't understand what I'm doing wrong now.
I'll tell you, you can watch it on the video what you're doing wrong. For next year. Chris!
Pull!
Nice!
You're doing well.
Yeah, you are.
Kyler, move farther away.
That's why. Yes, you are opening his eye. Oh my god.
Can you get another bowl, Kai? They're in the china cabinet. I just showed you where it was. They're all here.
Okay, here's your eye family.
Dip it out. That's it.
Yes.
Dip it out. It's probably out.
It's gonna be for gravy.
Chin.
Does that feel weird? She's like...
Is this possible for you to spit more on my face?
The thing is she doesn't put it in the right side. She puts it inside of the X. Now she's going to try to do it to Grace. Yay!
Look at mommy.
Mmm.
Eat it.
Who taught her how to put those on her fingers?
No one. She taught herself.
Oh, my heavens.
Sound over it. It's very easy to edit everything out. Like that. Lily. Oh, she needs to come and join Grandpa. Come here. Grandpa cut the turkey. What's that, Achilles? Did you get a little treat?
You do, Doctor?
Quit stealing the meat. I know you're hungry. You need to stop. You and Achilles, the little meat monsters.
They were definitely the most gruesome hand cut.
Well, we know Lily likes turkey. She's over here trying to steal it like Achilles, except she is succeeding. Oh, naughty daddy. You've already had 2 big pieces.
Just straight piece. Every animal
Grandpa's got some rhythm, baby Lily.
Yeah, I can zoom in and have him right
Dad, look at that. He's just like belligerent.
Alright, I'm ready. I'll tell you.
Hold on. Let me get me.
Open up all the way, man.
I'm going. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go! So I think I recorded about 11 seconds.
Baby, what did you
11 seconds of nothing hitting him.
I got that one.
Wait.
Look, it's a snowball.
Oh, come on.
You did a good job.
I want you to know, Tyler, that I missed with both of my and it wasn't because I was trying to miss.
Alright, Aaron. Show us how it's done.
I don't know if it's too big or not.
Sled like a man. His knees are bigger than they used to be, Dad.
Wow.
Can we get a different rubber band?
Rubber band. Rubber band?
I'm done.
That is so Aaron.
Bunged himself in.
He did that all growing up.
And that is how you're supposed to do it.
Lean forward. Lean forward.
Lean forward. Whatever you do, lean.
I don't have any handles. I'm holding on to Aaron then. Do you got handles?
There's handles.
Let's grab Aaron's fat.
Okay, got it. We're good.
Just grab those big thighs of his.
Huge thunder thighs. Keep him in.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, no.
Going down backwards.
Whoa!
They're going faster.
I'm already counting.
As Aaron's heading out with the shovel.
He made it!
Wow, he went really far.
Just let him go.
He protected her.
I love that he blocks her face.
Aaron, shield Billy. Shield Billy.
Deal on this for you.
You're on the sled.
Me?
Oh! Nice.
You inside and slide forward.
Vengeance is mine.
Up and Tanny.
You.
I love that he's dragging it up for
Aaron, bring it up.
I like this.
I was just gonna say it's a pretty good idea.
You lay on it and he'll kneel on your back.
I can tell what he's.
Well, we didn't have sled.
Please do that.
Do it.
Do it. Kneel on his back.
Kneel on his back?
He wants you to kneel on his back.
Wait, what?
He's circling on his knees.
Cerny, push us.
Push.
Legs.
I'm trying to push. This is very dangerous.
Oh, we know. Yeah, Kelly, you can find that snowball.
Get it.
Get it!
Get it.
You got it! Oh my gosh!
He almost got away. He'll park it.
Let's do it again. Lily, I'm sorry.
You don't think two people in the same spot on that ice will break through?
Nope.
I won't hit a pregnant woman. You're lucky.
Okay, it's videotaping. I'm ready to go.
Well, great. I'll take advantage of this. You want to hit your husband instead? How does this work?
I love how Aaron hit him too.
I know. He waited.
I'm filming this. Go again. Go, go, go.
Oh. Hold on.
Oh!
My glasses need
That was epic! That was epic! Oh! That was so awesome! You lost your glasses. As Katie comes over, almost Hey! Did you have fun in the snow? Your face is all red. Oh! You went down with Uncle Chase all the way to the bottom. Huh? Uncle Chase, huh? You want Daddy? You want Daddy to take you down? Come here, Daddy's out this way. You really need to wrap the bungee like all the way around her, and then you'll get it. Seriously. If you wrap it all the way around her, she won't fall back like that.
You mean behind her?
Yeah. She's a daredevil. Look at her. She wants to like stand up, go head first like the boys. Give her the thing to hold on to. She wants the handle. There you go. Now you can hold on to it, baby. There you go. Oh.
You want to just lay down?
She's fine with that.
Okay. Let's just lay down. Here, baby.
Oh yes, she is your daughter in way too many ways. Look at this.